Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add button inside your WordPress post, right? As you can see, I'm into my WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar there is a section of post, and as soon as I move the cursor to the post, then automatically a sub menu appears in front of me having an option of all posts where all blog posts written by us would be displayed. You can create a new post by clicking on the add post, but for your reference I am going to click on the all posts, right? I'm going to edit the blog post written by me so that you can easily understand how to add the button, right? So as you can see, there are lots of posts getting displayed over here, right? And as soon as we move our cursor on any of the blog post title, then automatically the edit icon appears, right? We need to click on edit option. Now this is the blog post, right? For example, I just want to add a button after this paragraph, so I will move my cursor to the end of the paragraph, and again I will click on the text, right? So as you can see, I have placed my cursor in the end of the paragraph. Now I will click on enter to create a new line or a new block, right? And as soon as a new block or new line gets created, just simply move your cursor on that particular new line, and there would be a plus icon automatically displayed in front of you. You need to click on add block, and you need to search for button, right? And simply select the button, and as you can see, the button is there. Button have been added, and right now we are just entering the CTA text, the click to action text in the button. So I am just entering read our blog. I have entered the text, right? Now we can also change the alignment of our button. As of now it is left aligned, right? So we can change the item justification, like we can select the justify item center option. Whenever you click on that particular button block, then automatically a pop-up would be displayed in front of you, a toolbar would be displayed in front of you above your button, right? And among all those icons present in the particular toolbar, you need to select the change item justification, right? You need to select this change item justification button, and when we click on it, then it automatically asks us whether you want to justify your item in the left, justify item in the center, right, or space between items. So I'm going to select this justify enter center. Then you can see my button has been moved to the center, right? And when I click on justify item to the right, then my button alignment have been moved to the right. You can also change the vertical alignment as well, like align top, align middle, align bottom, stress to fill, and here you can also change the alignment of your button. So this is how you can simply add the button in your WordPress blog post. You can also change the width of your button, right? As you can see in the right side, you will get a toolbar, right? A settings toolbar. If this settings toolbar doesn't appear in front of you, then you just need to click on the settings icon near to the publish or save button, right? In the top right corner, we have clicked on settings. So again, this settings toolbar have two sections. The first one is of post and the another one is of blog, right? And as we have selected this button as a block right now, so we need to change the block settings. So you can see we can change the settings of this button, right? So here there is the width settings. So if we select the 25%, 50%, 75%, or 100%, then we can simply adjust the width of our button, right? And we can also change the style as well, right? Outline. So you can see the button has been now outlined, right? We can simply change the text color or background color, or like font size, padding, and you can simply select the border as well, right? And you can simply change the radius settings to make this button as a little bit curved, right? So in this way you can add a button in your WordPress website blog post. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about the WordPress website, then I have mentioned my blog link in the video description. You can simply visit to our blog and read articles related to this topic. And if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in the video description. description. Just simply visit to our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.